Today you're going to start your second GMA, which stands for Go My Access, and it is part of a progress monitoring prompt, which means we're tracking your writing growth through this essay. So it's really important that you're trying your best and you're giving it your best. Since it's progress monitoring and it's used to show what you know, you can't get any help when you are working through this one. And it's also a time, so you don't have unlimited time for this. So the title of this essay is Family Traditions. So I'm just going to teach you a little bit about what you're going to be doing on this document, and then you can get started. So many families practice important traditions that are passed down from one generation to the next. Other families start new traditions. Think about your family traditions. What tradition does your family follow that you would like to see passed to the next generation? How important is it to you and your family? So you're going to write an essay in which you describe this tradition to the reader. Make sure you have to include specific details explaining the traditions. You could tell me who goes there, when it happens, why it happens, what you do there. So lots and lots of details. So the first thing you're going to do on this piece of paper is brainstorm. So real quick, a family tradition. Family traditions are experiences or activities that are passed down between your family members. So it's something that you do routinely. You do it each year or a few times a year or every week. So many families have traditions during the holidays. Think Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, etc. But we even have traditions that aren't as big as holidays. So you can even think about each week. Do you have pizza on Friday nights with your families? Or for birthdays, maybe you have a special birthday dinner. So you want to start thinking about things you do routinely with your family. And you're going to pick 3 of them. And then you're going to write each in its own box. You don't have to write a lot here. Just get the tradition listed, and then you can move on. Each tradition will become its own body paragraph down here. On the second page, we have some sentence starters, some focus questions. So if you are stuck and struggling, look at these questions and it might help you get back on track. You can use bullet points when you are outlining in this document. So that means you don't need to write full sentences on here. You could just write your ideas quickly in bullet points in a few words. On page 3, you're going to start outlining. Please read the essentials that go with each paragraph. This will give you an idea of what we are looking for in each paragraph. We also gave you an estimated length. So for example, the introductions is 4 to 7 sentences. Body paragraphs is 5 to 8 sentences. So please look at the essentials as you are working through this document. When you are done, you will be ready to type. If you still are confused on what family traditions are, there's a 2-minute video that I also attached to this assignment that's going to walk you through different examples. So if you have no ideas, take a look at the video. Otherwise, you can get started on this document.